best freshwater fishing lures. If you've ever relied on a fishing lure to hunt the fish, you understand how powerful they can be. A fishing lure, for those who are unfamiliar, is a kind of synthetic fishing bait used to draw fish. Lures come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, with each intended to entice a specific species of fish. How do you know which freshwater fishing lure is the best when there are so many to choose from, including GOANDO, TRUSCEND, Simijif, Silanon, PLUSINNO, and others? We'll look at the most frequent fishing lures today. You'll be able to hit your limit in no time after watching this video. GOANDO Fishing Lures Kit for Freshwater Bait Tackle Kit. It works well in all water layers and is ideal for freshwater. All trout and bass fishing lures are widely used and carefully chosen to meet the needs of the various species of fish that you catch. Ideal for a lake, river, reservoir, pond, or stream. These fishing lures have a precisely engineered shape, stereo 3D fisheye, and lifelike scale patterns that make the fish appear more vivid and realistic as if they were living fish in the water. The fishing spoons show a brilliant flash in the water due to their genuine plating, and more reflective surfaces attract fish and make them strike a fantastic fishing lure that easily fools the target fish. Crankbaits, 1 piece. Vib, 1 piece. Topwater lures, 1 piece. Plastic worms, 33 pieces. Jigs, 5 pieces. Fish-shaped soft bait is 2 pieces. Shrimp simulation 2 pieces are included in this fishing lure set with a tackle box. The remaining 32 accessories are also realistic and swim well. This fishing lure set can be a complete assortment for any angler, for any season, in any water, including common fishing baits and accessories. TRUSCEND Fishing Lures. This bass fishing lure is suitable for catching bass, yellow perch, walleye, pike, muskie, roach, trout, and snook, and salmon, for example. This swim bait works well in the wall water layers and is suitable for freshwater. TRUSCEND fishing lure has an 8-segment multi-jointed body that allows it to sink slowly and move freely in the water. Furthermore, the lifelike swimming actions attract more catches and provoke predator fish to strike. This vibe lure, made of high-quality ABS material and equipped with a built-in rattle, can continuously emit the fish sound wave to provoke the feeding urge of the fish and induce them to attack. Fishing Lures Tackle Box Bass Fishing. High-quality bionic bait has special 3D eyes, which can attract fish to bite and not break easily. All of these unique features make this tackle box organizer attract more fish, no matter what type of predator fish you are stalking. An abundance of accessories in the tackle box within tackle can provide a variety of fishing rigs, perfectly adapting to the fishing needs of different waters. Trolling lures, weight sinkers, line stoppers, leaders, swivels, and hooks are also included to help you build the best rig. Roostertail Spinner Fishing Lures Kit. These spoon fishing lures can provide constant flash and vibration, as well as the lifelike movement of a rooster tail, provoking a big fish to bite. A good spin action is what makes a good fish catcher. The Roostertail spinner lure has a sharp treble hook, a plated main body, and a stainless steel spindle. Fish will have no escape after biting with a brightly colored strike attractor sleeves. PLUSINNO Fishing Lures Baits Tackle. This freshwater fishing lure set contains all kinds of baits and accessories that can be used in a variety of fishing occasions, making it a great gift for any beginner or addictive anglers, especially appropriate for Father's Day, Valentine's Day, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and other special occasions. Crankbait, popper, pencil, minnow, vib, frog, split-tail fishes, spinner lures, soft worms, soft plastic shrimp, split shots, offset hooks, jigs, drop shot weights, fishing sinkers, fishing leaders, hooks with a box, and more fishing gear. Reliable and all-around choice for any angler and fishing enthusiast. Kingforest Fishing Lures. Targeting predator fishes like bass, trout, walleye, salmon, muskie, pike, big bluegill, perch, crappie, panfish, and catfish in fresh water. The water action is perfect. and it doesn't take a strong or quick retrieve to get them spinning. Bright rotable blades produce continuous flashes and vibrations to imitate the swimming action of small fish, attracting larger fish. That's all there is to it. What fishing lure product do you prefer? Which one do you want to try next? Please let us know in the comments section below. And if you like the video, do feel free to hit that like button and subscribe for more upcoming fishing content.